rowere mane wito ngimane embele od bura mamalo e kinde ng'anyo dhi nyime e gwenge ma Juja. David Chege oywag kod familia osiepe kanyakla kod joked ne ratich oganda. Wayudo ane kaka chenro no dhi nyime.
Thank you very much. Go and see.
As a Sunday school teacher for more than 10 years. Embedded in David Chege, or as we know him, Teacher Davy, was kindness and humility. He was soft-spoken, his duties, being there for the children and remained committed in the department. We are confident that of how they related with him, and we will forever. He was an amazing teacher. He made the classroom brighter, and he be a teacher, but to us he was the world. Teacher Davy, you have been us out of darkness, a candle lit that consumes itself to light the.
A round of applause for Pastor Caro. If she can get somewhere to sit around here, this would be really good. Please come together, flanked by your friends. These are the people that, please come, and then we do that.
4 years full of fun, struggles and studying. Over the years, life took us in different directions, careers, family. A simple text, a brief call, or an unexpected visit was
Nyakaramogi mano liel marachiel kuom rowere mabende no wito ngimagi e kinde ng'anyo mano bagi odiochieng' mabende koro rowere moko notemo modonjo e kar od bura kata e od bura mamalo kabende mano en liel marachiel kuom rowerego ma iko nyinge David Chege. Reporter mar Walter Nyambaga luonwa kanyo machiegni kendo kawang' oseyudo ripodego duto to wabiro keloni mana esa ma owinjore kuom juma achiel mosekalo. Chenro mag iko rowerego osebedo kadhi nyime e pacho ka. Wadogane mondo wawinj gima dhi nyime e liendno.
David Akwete. We have a lot of grief and pain as we come to visit this family, because David should have been here today, but he left this world a young man. Well, it's very unfortunate that his death was unnecessary if the government was willing to listen. But David died a hero, and I want you to always remember that he's a hero to this country, and he'll be remembered forever. David is a modern-day freedom fighter. He was armed with a flag, and they murdered him. But because he's dead, Kenya has changed forever. And I know it's not an easy thing to tell a parent, but David did not die in vain. So even as we discuss everything that is going on in the country, David and many others gave their lives for a better Kenya. And because of that, they even liberated the flag. Before June 25th, this flag was only flying in ministers' cars, in government buildings during holidays.
Kwa wote, mimi nimekuja hapa kama ishara ya Wakenya kutoka sehemu zote za nchi yetu hii kusema kwamba Wakenya milioni 50 na hawangeweza kufika hapa leo hii, lakini kwa niaba yao tumeweza kufika ili kusherehekea maisha ya shujaa.
Nyakaramogi Nyambaga pod luonwa chenro makamago kachiel kod rowere mamoko mabende noyudo hinyruok. Kamano wito ngimagi kinde ng'anyo kendo wang' godhiambo wabiro yudo lipot makare kotenore kod ote mogol e lietego ahinya